is the most volatile month and September is the most worst month. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Isriffah's World. Our today's topic of discussion is financial market. Why we study financial markets, why they are so important. Let's discuss financial markets in which funds are transferred from people who have an excess of available funds to people who have a short age. Financial markets such as bond and stock markets are crucially to promoting greater economic efficiency by canceling funds from people who do not have a productive use for them to those who do. A bond market and interest rates. Bond market is especially important economic activity because it enables corporations or government to borrow to finance their activities, and because it is where interest rates are determined. An interest rate is the cost of borrowing or the price paid for the rental of funds. There are many interest rates in the economy: mortgage interest rates, car loan rates, and interest rates on many different types of loans. And folks, interest rates are important on a number of levels. On a personal level, high interest rates could deter you from buying a house or a car because the cost of financing it would be high. Conversely, high interest rate could encourage you to save because you can earn more interest income by putting aside some of your earnings as a savings. On a more general level, interest rates have an impact on the overall health of the economy because they affect not only consumer willingness to spend or save, but also business investment decisions. High interest rate, for example, might cause a corporation to postpone building a new plant that would ensure more jobs. We will discuss it later how things work in high interest rate. Now move on to the stock market. The stock market, or a common stock, typically just called a stock, represents a share of ownership in a corporation. It is a security that is claimed on the earning and assets of corporation. Issuing a stock and selling it into the public is a way of corporation to raise funds to finance their activities. The stock market, in which claims on the earnings of corporations, shares of stocks are traded, is the most widely followed financial market. Folks, did you know the stock market is more than 400 years old? And there are more than 60 stock exchanges in the world? Unbelievable. Annually, the stock market is likely to increase by 70%. And October is the most volatile month for stock market, and September is the worst month. The stock market is also known as important factor in business investment decisions because the price of shares affects the amount of funds that can be raised by selling newly issued stock to finance investment spending. A higher prices for a firm's shares means that it can raise a larger amount of funds, which can be used to buy production facilities and equipment. What is foreign exchange market? The foreign exchange market is used for funds to transfer from one country to another. They have been converted from the currency in the country of origin. For example, we converted dollar into rupees or rupees into dollar.